Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you are yet to subscribe, guys, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments so you would not miss any updates. Click on the bell notification to also stay updated instantly. Once I drop, you will get the updates instantly. Let's see what to be expecting for the day on our New Zealand dollar to our JPY dollar. This is our New Zealand dollar to our JPY. Now, let's start with our trend. We would want to know what market is doing. And we all know that market tends to give us three movements. It's either we are trading to the upside, we are trading downward, or market is clearly ranging. So with what we are seeing right here, it's very clear that market is ranging. So we had this drop that came to our support level, right? Then the movement was made that came to our resistance. Then the drop was made that came to our support. Then we had this bullish move that came to our resistance. Market eventually dropped to tap our support. Market gave us a bullish move to tap our resistance. Market eventually dropped to tap our support. And now our next movement is that market should give us a bullish move till it taps our resistance level. So above all, in the long run, we should be expecting New Zealand dollar JPY to push up. But for the day, we can see that there is a multiple rejection for today. Once market opens, there's a multiple rejection here. So that is an indication our market is failing to break below. So with that movement, a little bit of a pullback and then another movement. So above all, our forecast is to the upside. We are currently trading at 86.349. We should see it head to a level of 86.650. So this is our next level on New Zealand dollar JPY, which is 86.653. So once it taps that level of 86.653, I'll give you guys an update on what New Zealand dollar JPY will do next.